Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in dev check, like that. Now install this free app from Flare to Developer and when it's ready, open it. Dev check device and system info. Now, thanks to this free app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!